Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the American Bladeworks Model 1 V5 here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see if we can do something to improve the action, because you see it doesn't really fall shut. Really strong detent, guys. You see, you have to wiggle it for the blade to get close. So let's get this done. I think we're gonna need a T10 probably. Let me see. That's a T10. I think we're gonna need a T15, which is right over here. Correct? Oh yeah. Nicely keyed in pivot. This is so let's do the handle first. This is gonna be a T10, right? Actually, no, that's a T8. Interesting. So T8 and T15. All right, let's do this. So one screw right over here and it's done. Then you have another one right over here and it's done. Change the bit. T15 is in the house. Just do the pivot like so, keyed in nicely, not rotating, not spinning. We love that, appreciate it. That is good. This is done. So you have this, which should just come apart, right? Okay, let's use this tool over here. We can push the pivot out. Just release the tension from the... It's not really wanting to come out. Just let's do gentle. Okay. There you go. That came out. And also here. So you have the stop pin like that. Oh, that's why. Yeah. Sorry guys, you got to use also a T6. I'm assuming it's a T6 for the liners. Oh no, actually it's a T5. Wow. All right, T5. That's not ideal, right? That's a T5. Oh yeah, wow, that's interesting. Okay, I wasn't expecting this, but it is, so not a biggie. And now this guy can come apart nicely. So you have one liner right up here, internal stop pin for the S35 VN blade, couple of bearings like there. You have a nice stop pin. You have, you see, like here you have a hardened steel washer. Strong. Look at how much it's bent, this liner. That's why I'm not. I don't think the action is gonna be improving that much, because that detent is strong. So when you have a lock bar that is pushing hard up against the blade, it's gonna be tough to have a drop shot action. Kind of like in some giant mouse, you see they have a strong detent, and therefore it's unlikely to see them drop shot, but I might be wrong, and they might be getting better with usage. So, you know, they break in, there's a break-in period. So let's just clean up the blade like so. By the way, it has a nice finish to it like that. I just clean the inside of this carbon fiber scale, which has been nicely milled to accommodate this titanium liner. Nice hardened steel washers to have a nicer action and avoid the ceramic ball bearings being up against the titanium liner. So this is done. There's no need to remove the backspacer, that's all good. We're just gonna need to clean the bearings like this and like that. There we go. We are done. I think we can just put this guy back together. So let's just do it. We're gonna start from this guy. This side over here. Just remove this. It's nicely done. It fits pretty well, I have to say. And we can do from this side like this. And then you take one bearing and it's in. And then you take this top pin and you clean it. So you remove any excess of dirt that's in. So stop pin goes here. Very good. And then you take your nano oil. Let's do 10 weight. And 1, 2, and like 3 drops, like so. And then you've got your blade in. And then we can do this other bearing. And 1, and 2, and 3. All right, so we can do, actually, no, made a mistake. Let's see if we can do something like that, because we need to, no, it's not gonna work. So we have to do the liner first. Nice tolerance, I have to say. We have to do the liner first. So this guy has to come out. And we have to screw it back in like that, like this, like that, and this is in. So with the T5 Torx bit, you just take this guy and that is in. And that's one. And then you get the second one, which is in like that. Don't over tighten these guys because these are tiny screws. That's good. Pivot is in. We're gonna need to center this guy. Use this one like so. And jamming it in. That's good. And we're gonna need, we said a T8. Correct. So this guy goes right over here. We're gonna do a little bit of heavier weight nano oil on the detent ball in a second. Actually, I like the finish of these screws. They're nicely done for sure. That's in. And here we said a T15 for the pivot screw, which is nicely keyed in. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna finally tune this guy in a second. Let's check for blade centering right over here. Let's see. Blade center is perfect. All right, let's do a little bit of 85 weight nano oil, just like so. Not that much, all right. Spread it around the tang of the blade nicely. And let's see. Okay, check for blade play, check for blade centering. This detent is strong. So You still need a wiggle, but I think less than before. Wow, guys, this detent is strong. Light switch works. Push button, fires it open. Look at this. That's fast. I like it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.